So we've got for the time bomb, heel, ball, ball, heel, ball, ball, heel, step. Heel, ball, ball, heel, ball, ball, heel, step. And when you're going really slowly, it's probably not super comfortable necessarily to be on the balls of your feet, but when you're going fast, it will feel okay, I think. If you need to modify it, I guess you could do heel, step, step, heel, step, step, heel, step. So at the end of this time bomb, your right foot is free to do something else. So a little bit faster. Heel, ball, ball, heel, ball, ball, heel, step. You kind of can add, if you want to, this optional kind of bounciness to it. Heel, ball, ball, heel, ball, ball, heel, step. On the other foot, heel, ball, ball, heel, ball, ball, heel, step. And again, since I was trying to be on the balls of my feet and going slowly, that makes it a little harder to balance. If you need to modify, heel, step, step, heel, step, step, heel, step. On the left foot again, heel, ball, ball, heel, ball, ball, heel, step. Heel, ball, ball, heel, ball, ball, heel, step. Or faster, heel, ball, ball, heel, ball, ball, heel, step. Ready, go, heel, ball, ball, heel, ball, ball, heel, step. So in Ooga, we are starting with a side step, then we're doing a time bomb, then we're turning 180 on a coal miner, the hopping coal miner, and then we're doing chugs to the front. So slowly, starting with a right side step. Ready, go. Time bomb. Heel, ball, ball, heel, ball, ball, heel, step. Shuffle, step. Toe, hop, step. Toe, hop, step. Drag, slide, drag, slide, drag, slide, drag, lift. Time bomb. Heel, ball, ball, heel, ball, ball, heel, step. Shuffle, step. Toe, hop, step. Toe, hop, step. Drag, slide. And since we're going to go right into the Emily, we're not going to lift because immediately when the Emily starts, we drag back. So if we, maybe I'll continue with the transition into the Emily. All right, so side step on your right. Coal miner. The Emily starts, drag out, and shuffle, ball, heel, step, step, drag out, and shuffle, ball, heel, step, step. Actually did that wrong. Sorry. So, actually on the Emily, then your left.